Virginia alleges one of the nation's largest online lenders made more than $47 million of illegal, high-interest rate loans that put Virginians on the hook for tens of millions of dollars in interest and fees. The state is suing NetCredit, which sells personal loans for up to $10,000 and charges interest rates of as much as 155%, for violating the state's consumer protection laws. The lawsuit alleges NetCredit made such loans to more than 47,000 Virginians since 2012. Specifically, the suit says the company is violating the state's usury cap of 12%, which applies to all consumer loans except those made by licensed finance companies, car title lenders, payday lenders, credit card firms and banks. NetCredit has no Virginia licenses. An exhibit attached to the lawsuit detailed one loan, for $2,120, that required a Virginia borrower to repay a total of $6,130 over a 22-month period. That translates to an annual interest rate of 149.48%. The lawsuit also alleges that NetCredit has lied to Virginians about the legality of its loan terms and that it has continued to automatically debit money from customers' bank accounts after they filed bankruptcy and won a court-ordered freeze on debt collections. It also alleges that NetCredit sent multiple emails and made several phone calls to customers in bankruptcy demanding payment, even though it was notified of the freeze. Credit could not be reached immediately for comment. Its parent company, Innova International, says its corporate mission is closing the world's credit gap and helping hardworking people get access to fast, trustworthy credit. The company says, "We work hard, sometimes through all hours of the night, to comply with all applicable lending laws and regulations in each country." Innova reported a gross profit margin of 53% on revenue of just under $844 million last year, according to its latest annual filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Its sole business is lending to consumers and small businesses, and its revenue represents what it collected in interest and fees on loans totaling just under $705 million as of Dec. 31, 2017, according to its SEC filing. The Virginia lawsuit noted that Chicago-based NetCredit tells Virginians its loans are regulated by the state of Utah, which does not license loan companies or regulate their activities outside of the state. Utah has no caps on interest for consumer loans. Innova's executive vice president for marketing is a director of the Online Lenders Alliance, an association that successfully lobbied to put on ice a bill that would have capped interest rates on the kind of consumer loans it makes. The alliance pushed hard for a measure to legalize online lending in Virginia, but that bill died. Innova spent $101 million last year marketing its loans. "We've seen more and more Virginians turn to online lenders in a time of need only to find they've signed up for a debt trap that is going to cost them hundreds if not thousands of dollars in finance charges and fees," said Attorney General Mark Herring. "I believe we need stronger laws to protect Virginians from predatory loans, whether issued online or in person," he added. "Until the General Assembly cracks down on high-interest rate lenders, I'm going to make sure the laws we have are enforced and make sure that companies can't come into our state and abuse financially vulnerable Virginians," he said. RES can be reached by telephone at 757-247-4535.